We always want the production process to run as smoothly as this one. But this is not always possible. Under pressure to deliver on time, we know you can't have an operator in front of every machine to prevent scrap parts. Besides, there are not enough skilled people to hire. You can avoid scrap parts and increase machine throughput without time and resource-consuming investments. Real-time detection of broken tools, combined with adaptive control, reduces your losses and increases your revenue quickly. This is possible without disrupting the production. Thanks to ACM Suite, you can reduce tool breakage and increase machine throughput and reliably detect breakage of small tools. Importantly, you can achieve these goals without making any changes to your NC programs or requiring more machine operators. Adaptive control not only improves the machine throughput, it also automatically detects and mitigates abnormal cutting conditions before they cause cutting tools to break. Used together with real-time tool breakage detection, you improve revenue and cut costs.